So student, this time I am taking the question, if ax square minus 2hxy minus ay square equal to 0 represents a pair of straight lines forming with 2x plus 3y equal to 6, an isosceles right angled triangle at the origin, then 12a square plus 5h square plus 5a plus 12h plus 60 is equal to, and your options are, the first option is 1249, second option is 1294, third option is 1429, fourth is, the first option is 1249, second is 1294, third is 1429, and fourth is 1492. Student, we did in the last session the similar type of questions. So you can solve this question also by using that method. But right now I am solving because already you know one of the method, how we will solve it. So right now I am solving this question by using another method. So student, in this situation, the pair of lines makes an isosceles right angled triangle with this line and right angled at the origin. At that time, in the previous question, we did the same type of questions, but at that time, the point is different from the origin. It's something alpha comma beta or 3 comma 4 like that. But because of these two lines passing through the origin, so we can start with, let y is equal to mx be one of the line which is represented by the equation ax square minus 2hxy minus ay square is equal to 0. This we will suppose the second equation. Now, because of this line subtends an isosceles right angle triangle with the line 2x plus 3y is equal to 6. It means the angle between this line and one of the line will be 45 degree. That is 2x plus 3y is equal to 6. Isosceles right angled triangle. So line 1 makes an angle which is plus minus pi by 4 because of it is in clockwise direction or anti-clockwise direction. Subtends plus minus pi by 4 with the third line whose slope is minus 2 by 3 because of the equation is, see, 2x plus 3y equal to 6, and the slope of any straight line whose equation is ax plus by plus c equal to 0 is minus a by b. So minus 2 upon 3. So this is the angle and this is the slope. Now slope of the first line is m. So we can say here, therefore, using the formula tan theta is equal to m minus 2 by 3 upon 1 plus m into minus 2 by 3. This we can use. This is equal to plus minus 1. Now here it is 3m plus 2 divided by 3 minus 2m. Now to replace this plus minus sign, to eliminate the condition, we will do squaring both sides and will bring 3 minus 2m on the left side. So it becomes 3 minus 2m whole square is equal to 3m plus 2 whole square. Now from the first equation, from here y is equal to mx. So m is equal to y upon x. Now from the first equation, the value of m we can substitute in this. By eliminating the m, we will get this 3 minus 2 into y upon x whole square. 3 minus 2 into y upon x whole square is equal to 3 into y upon x plus 2 whole square is equal to 3 into y upon x plus 2 whole square. Now we will simplify it. It becomes 3x minus 2y whole square is equal to 3y plus 2x whole square, and we will expand it. We will get here 9x square minus 12xy plus 4y square is equal to 9y square plus 12xy plus 4x square. Now we will transfer each and everything in the left side. It becomes 5x square minus 24xy minus 5y square is equal to 0. Now if you compare, a student, this equation with the given equation, that is equation number 2, you will get its same, the form. It will be in the same form, and hence you can find out the value of a and h. See, this one and this one are same. In place of a it is 5, in place of h, in place of 2h it is 24. So by comparing with second, we get a is equal to 5 and h is equal to 12, because 2h is 24, so h is equal to 12. Now we have to find out the value of this 12a square plus 5h square plus 5a plus 12h plus 60. So now we will write here 12a square plus 5h square plus 5a plus 12h plus 60 is equal to, now we will put here the values of a and h. The value of a is 5, h is 12. So 12 into, it will be 5 square plus 5 into, it will be 12 square plus 5 into 5 plus 12 into 12 plus 60. Now we will calculate. So it becomes 25. 25 into 12, it is 300 plus 12 square 144 into 5, it is 720 plus 25 plus 144 plus 60. Now by adding all of these, you will get finally 1249, and hence using the option 1249 is the first option. So the answer is, so option first is correct option. And the student, the second method was the previous one that we did in the previous question. What we did, I'm just again explaining you in very short manner. See, we did that time the equation of the line, because of it is a perpendicular, so we'll write it ax square plus 2hxy minus ay square equal to 0, because it passing through the origin. At that time it was passing through the point something else, so this is equal to 0. And let y is equal to mx will be the one of the line, then second line automatically it will be y equal to minus 1 upon mx. Now because both the lines y equal to mx subtend some angle with this, and y equal to minus 1 upon mx subtend some angle with this, which is the same angle, which is the pi by 4. Now we will equate by using the condition that if two lines subtends equal angle with the third line, then by using that condition we will find out the value of m. Once we get the value of m, then we'll use the condition m1 plus m2 is equal to minus 2h upon b. By using that one, we'll find the value of m1 plus m2, and we will substitute in this equation in place of 2h upon b, and you will get the whole equation. Once we will get the equation, now we will compare this with the given ax square minus 2hxy minus ay square equal to 0, and we'll find out the value of a and h, and rest are same after that by using this so and so. And the second method is here in front of you. So student, you have now two methods to solve the same question, and I'm advising you that solve the previous question by using this method also. Solve the previous question by using this method, and then write your comment on the comment box that you got the solution, and you will get the solution, and you got the same solution whatever the method you used. Now student, I'm taking another question. So the question is, the lines joining the origin to the point of intersection of 3x square plus lambda xy minus 4x plus 1 equal to 0 and 2x plus y minus 1 equal to 0 are at right angles for lambda equal to. And your options are, the first option is minus 4. It means lambda equal to minus 4. The second option is 4, that is lambda equal to 4. Third is 7. And the fourth one is no value of lambda, means the value of lambda does not exist. Now student, the question based on the lines joining the origin to the point of intersection of this curve and this straight line. So to get the equation of the lines joining the origin and point of intersection, we will make homogeneous equation with the help of this. So first of all, we will write here, since given line is 2x plus y minus 1 equal to 0, so from here you will get 1 equal to 2x plus y, and this is your first equation. Now the given curve is here 3x square minus lambda xy plus 3x square plus lambda xy minus 4x plus 1 equal to 0. Now we will make this equation as homogeneous equation with the help of this equation number 1. So to make it, we will write here 3x square plus lambda xy minus 4x into 1 plus 1 square equal to 0. Now in place of these two 1, we will substitute the value from the equation number 1. So it becomes 3x square plus lambda xy minus 4x into 2x plus y plus 2x plus y whole square is equal to 0. Now we will simplify it. It becomes 3x square plus lambda xy minus 8x square minus 4xy. Now we will simplify this equation and we will get 3x square plus lambda xy minus 8x square minus 4xy plus 4x square plus 4xy plus y square is equal to 0. Now this 4xy and this 4xy will get cancelled, and finally you will get 7x square minus 8x square, it is minus x square plus lambda xy plus y square is equal to 0. Now student, you can see here the coefficient of x square and the coefficient of y square, sum of these two is equal to 0 for any value of lambda. It means this equation will always represent a pair of perpendicular lines. For any value of lambda, it means lambda belongs to R. So lambda will be any real number. Now we will see the option. Lambda equal to minus 4, it is a real number. Lambda equal to plus 4, it is a real number. Lambda equal to 7, it is a real number. It means the first option, the second option, the third option, all of these three are the correct option. Hence, we can write here, so option first, second and third are correct option. I hope student you understand the question, and I hope also that in the first question you will solve it by using the second method, as well as the previous also, the previous question in the previous session we did, that question also you will solve by using another method. Thank you and goodbye.